Welcome, sir. Every actor, every aspiring actor just wants to work with you. And today we're live on Facebook, so we have all your fans watching you live. What would you like to say to them first?
First of all, it's a great feeling to be somewhere, international at the international awards, because celebrating South Indian cinema. I think any kind of celebrating the cinema is great, and I think Saima has put in a great show by making everything perfect. I think since morning I've just been seeing the logistics and everything. I think everything is perfect in place, and it takes a lot of effort, and congratulate Saima for that. So just hoping for the best next, and hopefully, let's see what happens.
Definitely, and in fact, I must say you look extremely stylish today, sir. What has to do with this? What is the secret behind this wonderful look?
You said that the feeling is mutual. You're looking stunning too, and it's just that it's international award, so just thought let me dress up a bit, and that's all. That's it.
Is this special for Abu Dhabi?
Yeah, special for Abu Dhabi, actually.
Thank you so much, sir. We hope you have a wonderful evening. Thank you. And now we have a stunning beauty right here with us. Someone you've always watched on screen, someone you've always loved. Welcome to Saima 2017 Red Carpet. How are you feeling today?
Very, very zestful, very pumped, very excited and nervous for all the performers out today. But yeah, a mix of all energies, I guess.
Doesn't she look like she just jumped out of a Barbie box? I mean, you literally look like a doll today. How do you manage to look like this every time?
Honestly, I just have fun with myself, and I don't think I do things, for the outsiders to kind of perceive. It's just me, and I let loose, and maybe that's what comes across.
And today you're here for the Telugu and the Kannada awards, and you're a part of these industries. So who do you think is going to win all the big awards tonight?
Man, it's really hard to say, but I just hope that the best man wins, because it's so important. All actors, I'm sure they're very well deserving, and it takes a lot of time and effort to make a film, and whether it works out or it doesn't work out, there's always that personal touch that everybody adds in, So I think tonight is the night of everybody, and the lucky man, woman, whoever it is, I hope they win it, and best of luck to everybody else.
Definitely, and I'm sure all the Telugu Facebook viewers are just waiting for you to say something in Telugu for them. So if you do, they would be really happy.
Okay, so you'll have to help me with this. How do you say I love you in Telugu?
Nenu ninne premustunnanu.
Nenu ninne premistanu.
Oh, absolutely. And with that, I have a task for you. Okay. So if you just wait for a second, I'm going to give you this. So now, I'm not going to limit you to just the Telugu industry. So since we're in Saima, you can pick from all the 4 languages. But we have Facebook emoticons here, which all of you are very, very familiar with. So we're going to hand these emoticons over to her, and you're going to tell us who you would like to give this emoticon to. Okay?
Wow.
So we will begin with the first one, which is the heart. So who would you like to give your heart to?
This is a very controversial question. My heart. Can I make it unanimous, or do I have to name one person?
It has to be one person, right? Then what's
one person? I think it has to be V.I. Anand. For being one of the most calmest and composed directors I've ever worked with, letting his actors free and loose to the ability of their own creation. Love you.
Wonderful. And then we have the cry face. Who would you like to give that to? Who's the cry baby of the industry?
I think it would be Alu Sirish. I think he would agree, because I feel like, he's a little worried and tense of how his performance and act would turn out to be like. He doesn't consider himself to be a natural dancer, let's put it that way. And this was him till a few days ago, and I hope it changes to this.
Oh, so we're giving Alu Sirish 2 emoticons. In fact, he's going to be hosting today, so I think he needs all the emoticons.
I think he's going to kill me.
So we have the last one, which is going to be the angry face. So who do you think is like the angry young man of the industry?
Angry young man. Okay, he's probably going to kill me, but maybe this would go to Sandeep Kishan.
Whoa!
I'm sorry, man, but I've worked with you, and no, he's a sweetheart to work with, and very, very easy, and always throws in ideas and helps you and your co-actor to perform as well. But I don't know, when I see him, I just see that, and I'm just kidding. I mean, I just had to say it just for that.
No, but we're glad you were being such a sport and you answered all those questions for us. So thank you so much. You're looking lovely, and hope you have a wonderful evening. Thank you. And we're going to give you 1,000,000 hugs.
Okay.